Welcome everybody into another backtesting session. If you remember, this is the last day that we analyzed in the last video, and we're going to see the following one. So as always, I'm going to quickly shift it to the next one, not without watching it. Okay, no, this one was already done. I think so. I'm not really sure. Let's see what I did as the last one. Okay, no, I only did this, so we still have an hour left of the last of this previous one. So let's see what is actually happening. So we were in a bullish trend after. So okay, we're coming down, and we left with this bullish trend on the lower time frame with a clear break and retest of this level for the continuation up. So let's see if we have any further trade idea, and yeah, let's see. So far we are bullish on the lower time frame because the price is clearly making higher highs and higher lows. We break and retested also this previous PSA. Let's see what actually is awaiting us. So we see a rejection. We could possibly see a bounce from there for the continuation, and yeah, but we failed to make a new high. It's coming. It's after the 10 a.m. candle open. So now we have some strong bearish bearish trend, and the entry over here will be at the candle close. Will be 25, 30. I don't think that will be a 40 pip TP, 45 pips TP. So let's see later on with the review how it will end up being. Okay, I don't know if this will be a break even or a loss or a win possibly. Okay, now that we are seeing now validating a double top, multiple top I would say at this level, I would love to see a break and retest of this previous PSA on this previous PSA for the continuation sells. So I would love to see this previous higher low to be broken for the price to continue down. We still have on the lower time frame this area, this rejection area, which can give us some reactions. But let's see how it is the price action. Okay. So far now we are sort of getting smaller and smaller against this PSA, accumulation of orders, and then an aggressive break below. Let's see if we get a retest of this level on these previous weeks, or we just go down, then we can take entries below that. So let's see if this actual entry as pre-planned will work out. Okay, yeah. Also another retest. 20, this is 25, 30 pips in profit. Yeah, and it will go to TP, so that will be a win. There you go. You will also have a break and retest of these previous lows. The fact that we are so close to this level, it's still sketchy to enter a sell this close. But still, let's see if the price manages to break below. Yeah, breaks, retest over here for possible continuation sells. As you can see, full retest. And then this is an enter over here, 25, 30. Yeah, that will be another win below this level at the break and retest of that. As you can see, I highlighted already these PSAs for possible entries, and the price will probably continue down. Yes, so 55.5, 50, so that 50 pips, so that will be a plus 45. This will be a plus 45. The entry here would be basically at 1861 and 1866. So this will be 1865 which will be 40 pips. Yeah, it might also might be 65.5. Just give me a second, I will get the broker on. So yes, as you can see, an entry over here will result in 46 pips. So even in this case, that will be a win. Very good. Plus 45. Yes, and that will be the first day with the first win. Perfect. So now let's move on. So this is the blackboard. Let's take it over here. I will not watch. Okay. Now let's move on to the 15th of February. So we are coming into New York Open. New York is opening over here. Price is a bit of order block. We can see it is ranging from these highs to these lows. So of course we would love to see, as I told you, not just the first candles breaking very small like this for taking sells, or actually on the opposite side, I would love to see first some clear direction and volume coming into the chart. And let's see, so far we are bouncing, we are coming into the 8:20 AM Eastern, some volumes, this is a spec down, some nice liquidity grab, which could possibly lead to actually, okay, a very nice and aggressive break below this order block lows, and to see if there still no news, not a news, to see if let's see if this is a possible rejection. I don't really like it, especially the first one. Look at it closes, the next following candle fails to break below, and then you have two aggressive engulfing bullish candles. So I will not really take an entry straight away. As you can see, still quite sketchy. Possibly with this actual break and retest, with this actual break, we might get a confirmation, but still we have these lows that needs to be broken. And you can see that there is no real direction yet. The price action is not giving us a clear direction, so I will still be very cautious about it. Yeah, no break, as you can see, having a nice safe entry. These weeks or whatever, or the PPL or the weeks, yeah, I'm not taking any entry, any rushed entry, because there is no direction. Every bullish candle, every bearish candle is engulfed by a bullish one. There's no clear momentum. Let's see if then we might have a retest of these previous highs, or we will wait for some clean breaker retest on the upside. Okay, we have a break, but we failed, as you can see, we failed to break above these previous highs. So let's see if we have some more momentum, and with this possible entry, this entry over here, let's see if we take it, how far the price will go. So this will be the entry, okay. Okay, now I will go around 15 pips, I would say, and then come back up, come back down, back into the range. So far we are not stopped out. Let's see if it goes, yeah, that's a loss. Okay, so this is a loss. Let's see, because now there's a very strong bearish momentum. Let's see if we get some further direction below these previous lows. maybe below these ones. Let's see. We have a retest over here. I would love to, no, that's what I would love to do, but price is back into the range. There is no direction yet, so there's really no, it's not a high probability trade. And yeah, it will bounce multiple times, fail to make a new high. This is making a new low, but still really sketchy, the price action. I would love to see some further break below this level. Over there. Let's see. No, price is just ranging. Yeah, failing to make a new high. So no real entry yet. Yeah, this was a ranging day. Yeah. It's actually breaking below right at the end of the session. But yeah, I'm not really trusting it. So only one trade, and that will be one loss. Okay. So now let's move on to the next one. You're not watching. Okay. On to the 16th of February. So we are seeing already a bounce, quick aggressive bounce in pre-New York from this previous this key level of strong PSA, making a new high. Let's see what is actually happening at New York Open. Yeah, strong bearish candle. Let's see if it breaks below these lows. Yes. So let's see if we have a retest, because this is 820. It's actually opening over there. There is no real entry yet, so I would want a retest for the continuation bearish. If that's the case, a lot of slowing down like for 2-3 minutes. Still not really good, but I don't know if there was any news or what. Yes, and that's the retest, possibly a retest. Let's say that I actually take an entry over here at this bullish candle, quite aggressive, quite far away from the level, really trusting these areas to be respected, and sort of trusting that this is just giving me a further opportunity to enter. Yeah, that would be a loss. Okay, so this would be a loss. Quite a rushed one, but yes. Okay, sort of in anticipation of the continuation bearish. Price is breaking above here, not really liking it. And then we have a further continuation bearish. So, okay, still price is a little bit in a, not really showing us a strong direction. We have these wicks over here that have been respected. So I would love to see some further continuation bearish, break below these lows. Okay, might even only retest these lows. So price might be giving us an opportunity over here. It will go 30 pips if that was the entry at the PPL below this previous week. Or waiting for this entry over there. Price is bouncing back from these lows, so I would say this is a loss, but it's minus 15 or break even. So let's see what is actually happening now. How relevant is this bounce? Price making a new higher low. We are retesting this previous PSA. it actually did not give us any reaction. So this was the PSA of the reaction. Of course, if I want to take buys, I would love to see some further continuation above here. Otherwise, we are still keeping this trend line intact, I would say. But let's see if we see a break test below over there. Yeah, now it's breaking above, but failing to break above. Okay, so let's start to update our trade ideas. Will a retest of these lows make any sense for the continuation bearish? Not really. We are coming from a strong bullish price action. Look at the momentum. So let's see. I will probably wait below this level. Okay. There you go. So that will be the entry. We still don't know if that will be a winning or what. Okay. So an entry that would be over here would be 25, 30. Let's see if it actually makes a low. Yeah. So that would be a win after 2 losses. Plus 45. You see that also price gave you, after New York Stock Exchange opening, a nicer retest over there, which would be even better. Another bounce from over here. So if the price will now bounce back up, we might consider this area for buys, giving validation to these previous lows. Okay, coming into the 10 AM, strong momentum now, very strong. This could have also been, no, it's too high risk reward. Let's see if we break above. Yeah, we break above, we don't have any retest. We break above again. Yeah, this is more convincing. And yeah, possibly this entry, let's see. We'll go 30 pips. Yeah, and then the time will be off. So this will be probably a break even. It's actually, I don't know if it will be a loss or what. So let's see on the broker on the 16th. Okay, so let's say that my entry was over here. Yeah, it will actually go into profits. Oh yes, it will actually go into profits. We'll tap over here, this will be 35 and then go into profits. And this one over here, yeah, 35. So yeah, that will be a win, actually another win. That's very good. Plus 45 or break even, because if I had the break even rule, I would be wasting these profits. Very good. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So blackboard over here. I'm not watching. Okay, 17. So we are coming from pre-New York. Okay, New York. We are coming from some lows and we are making new highs, because we are steadily making new highs, breaking and staying a little bit above the key level for our PSA. I don't know what level is that. Let's see the price. Yeah, 1828, I think it's a key level. And yeah, we failed to stay above. We are retesting it, which is quite normal. I don't know if that's already New York open, but it's quite normal. Of course, I would love to see above there or below there, some price action with volume. Now I might expect that the 8:20 AM Eastern will push up with some volume, another bounce from these lows, so giving us a confirmation that if the price gives us a clean break and retest, we can take advantage of the bullish price action. Not really wasting my time and energy in the middle of the range. We could possibly have an entry over there at this PPL, at this candle close. So let's see. This one will probably be a loss, I would say. So far it's 10 pips. Yes, that would be a loss. Okay. This will be a minus 15. Very good. Let's see if price gives us further opportunity. Okay, staying above. Very messy price action. Coming into a new 4-hour. Wow, very slow price action, I would say. Let's see, yeah, let's see if New York Stock Exchange can give us some buy opportunity. Of course, there are no sells. I'm not really sure if I would love to take sells below these wicks. Yeah, not really 100% sure. Okay, so there you go. This is your now further break and retest. You have your strong bullish price action coming from these previous lows. So it's exactly, it's exactly this previous PSA. Failed to break below and then bounce up, retesting these previous highs, and now retesting these previous highs. So this will be my entry. Let's see if it goes like at least over here. This would be probably be 5, 50, yeah, around over there. Yeah, that would be a TP it. Very good. We also have this nice, very nice break and retest of this. This is on the dot of this previous PSA on the left hand side for the continuation. If I miss this one, this is the safest entry. Let's see if we break above the key level. Oh, we are seeing a pullback. So now we are already in profits. We took our profits. We also have this one, so I will probably take this one. Let's see if we see a continuation. Yes, looks like it. Let's see on the broker if I will lose this one. We are on the 17th. Okay, so that will be it. Okay, anyway, let's see, the entry will be over here. Yeah, will still be 15 pips safe, and then we'll go to 59 pips. So this will be a win. And that's why such an entry is so good. Why you need to enter at this candle close and no later, because that's when you have the best risk to reward ratio and the best opportunity not to lose. You could also take further entry above here with this break and retest, but I mean I will still be in this trade. So yeah, it goes to profit. You might also have further I mean, you took already your wins, might take this end of pullback. Yeah, there's not much of a volume left. Let's see if we just wanted to take this end of pullback at these previous lows, 1836. Yeah, this will be a loss. It will go into profits. As you can see here, it will go, but before that, it will make a new low to these previous lows. So really being sketchy, but yeah. Let's see that we put it, yeah. Minus 15, and that's it. Okay, so let's move on to the following one, Blackboard. I'm not watching. Okay, 20. So it's a Monday. I'm coming into a Monday. It's very early, and it's now New York open. We can see that the price is making a sort of order block. We have these PSAs of reference that we would love to see to be broken for possible continuation. Let's see. Okay, still not a very strong breakout, and remember it's right at the 820 AM instance, so there is no reason to buy yet. Then it fails to break. So okay, so let's see that we take this entry. We know that we will lose, yeah, but anyway, yes, price is ranging, and we would probably lose over here, I would say. So let's say that we take first loss. Okay, then we see price is bouncing from these lows. I would love to see a clean break above and staying below above these areas. Yeah, not happening. Let's see if we have a sell opportunity. Probably over here. Still price is bouncing from these lows. So yeah, probably I will take this entry over here. Yes, this entry. Probably go, yeah, probably be stopped out, or I don't know. Let's see, this was the entry that I was referring to. Because it's breaking below and retesting it. Let's see on the broker what the price action will be on the 20th. Okay, so from here it will be 23 pips, 11 pips, 26. Yeah, it will actually be a win. The next day still will be, oh no, will be a loss, 18. Yes, so before going back down, this will be 11, 18. Okay, this is the entry. Below these previous lows. Okay, yeah, this will be the entry, 11 pips. So it will go to 45 from here. Yeah, it will be a win. Of course, it will be sort of intraday swing, but yeah, it will still be a win if I didn't touch it. Ha, awesome. Plus 45 or break even. Okay, that's funny. That's actually funny. Okay. So let's do the last one for this session. So Blackboard, where you are, where you at? Let's clear this. Okay, I'm not watching. Okay. Okay. Let's see, 21st. coming into New York open. We're making a double bottom over here right before New York open, making new higher highs and higher lows. New York open is over here. Let's see at 8:20 a.m. Eastern. Yes, so that's the open of 8:20. So in this case, I will wait. Yes, I'm not taking this entry even though it looks